As much as I love the outdoors, some days call for indoor fun. Hey y'all, I'm Eden, and here are 3 places to visit around my hometown of Gadsden if you want something to do inside. We'll start at Gadrock.
Gadrock is the best place to come on rainy days. You can get indoors and stay active. It's the best.
They have indoor climbing for all skill levels, including a bouldering wall. It's a great place to train. I guess that's why they say, train here, explore there. Fair warning though, if you have kids, it might be hard to get them to leave. Speaking of kids, I feel like a kid when I visit the factory.
You really do play now and grow up later. It is a workout, it's a blast.
If a trampoline gym wasn't enough, there's also laser tag, and it's a great place to have a birthday party. They thought of everything. We finished off the day with an afternoon of bowling and arcade games at the alley.
The alley is awesome. I absolutely love it. It is so much fun.
If you haven't been, get online and reserve a lane for your whole crew. You can even have local Joes right on the spot. I think we're all going to sleep good tonight.